Hello everyone, welcome to my video on Automation Anywhere A2019. In this video, we will see how to connect to Automation Anywhere A2019 to a Microsoft SQL Server with Windows authentication. Automation Anywhere has a document with step-by-step procedure. Even after following every step, I faced some issue with the connection. When I ran the bot, Automation Anywhere threw an exception that it cannot communicate through the TCP/IP protocol. If you are facing this issue, we need to do a couple of other steps to make a successful connection to SQL Server. In this video, we will connect to SQL Server, learn BP database, and read data from challenge1 table and export it as a CSV file. First, let's open Automation Anywhere documentation and follow the steps given. I have given the link to this document in the description. The first step is to download the latest JDBC driver from Microsoft web page. So let's click on this link that will take us to the Microsoft JDBC driver page. Download this zip file. So once it is downloaded, unzip it. Now we have unzipped the downloaded file. The next step is to locate the JRE file, which is JRE8. This is the file. So we need to upload this file to Automation Anywhere A2019. So to do that, go to Automation Anywhere, My Bots, click on this Upload Files button, Add File, select this JRE8, click on Open and click on Upload. Since I have already uploaded it, I'm not going to upload it again. So this is the file that I uploaded. So once this step is done, let's move to the next step, which is locating SQL JDBC auth file. So let's go to auth folder, 64-bit. So we got this file. So now we need to rename the file to this name, which is the default SQL JDBC authorization file name. So copy this file name and rename this. Okay, now we have renamed the auth file name. This DLL file enables us to connect to SQL Server using Windows authentication. So that is why we are changing the name to the default name. Once we rename the file, we need to copy the file to C Windows System 32 and Automation Anywhere Bot Agent JRE bin, these two folders. So I have opened the folders here. Bot Agent JRE bin folder is here and System 32 folder is here. So copy this DLL file and paste it here. So it will ask, do you want to replace the file? Please select replace the file in destination, and it will ask for administrator permission. Continue. Yeah, the file is replaced in Automation Anywhere Bot Agent. Next, we need to do the same in system32 folder. Paste it here, replace, continue. Once we are done with the copy paste, the JDBC driver can connect to SQL Server. Still, there are few more steps in our bot to do. Go to Automation Anywhere, create new bot, name it as connect to SQL. Now let's try to connect to SQL Server. Drag and drop a connect action and name it as, give some name, DB. Connection mode is default and enter the text from here. Connection string is, copy the statement, paste it here, type your database name. 11BP is my database name. Use specific database, control room file, browse and select this file and confirm. We have established a connection. Next is to read a table from the database. Session name DB. SQL statement is select star from challenge 1. So that is the table name here, and export data to CSV file, desktop file, browse. If you have a file created, then you can use the same file, or Automation Anywhere will create a new file for you. So copy the path, paste it here, give a file name challenge1.csv. If there is a file, it will overwrite the existing file, or if there is no file, it will create a new file, or you can select whether you want to append to an existing file. Click on save. Next, disconnect from the database, give the same session name DB and save. That's it. The bot development is done. Now click on the run button and you can see the bot had started the execution. The flow will be completed very soon. Yeah, it is done. Click on close. Navigate to the folder where the result file is. Open it. You can see all the records from the table is read by the bot and exported to this file. But when I tried to connect to SQL Server for the first time, the bot threw an exception stating that it cannot communicate to SQL Server because of TCP IP mismatch. If you too face the same issue, go to Google search for SQL Server Configuration Manager, open this link. This is a Microsoft document web page, and it will show a list of SQL Server versions and the path for Configuration Manager. Copy the appropriate path. So in my case, I have SQL Server 2017, so I will copy this path and open it. Click yes. SQL Server Configuration Manager window is opened. Protocols for SQL Express. In this you can see TCP IP. If it is disabled, please enable it and double click on it. Go to IP addresses, go to the last. You can see TCP dynamic protocol TCP port. So the port number for SQL Server is 1433. If it is something else, please change it to 1433 and click on apply and OK. Once the port number is updated, click on SQL Server Service and restart SQL Server. It will take few seconds to restart the server. So it will restart all the following components, network configuration and everything. So once SQL Server service is restarted, go to the bot. Now click on run. Your flow should run successfully and you will be able to extract the data from SQL Server. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.